the shown object. If the object is enclosed by a cubical bounding box, outlines and edges can be projected onto the cube's faces. The European, or first angle projection method, projects the front of the object to the back of the cube. When all 6 sides of the object are projected onto all 6 faces of the cube, and the cube is unfolded as shown, a layout according to the first angle projection method is created. An engineering drawing created using the European first angle projection method will have the following layout. A front view is presented. Left from the front view, the right view is shown. Right from the front view, the left view is shown. Below the front view, the top view is shown. And above the front view, the bottom view is shown. When the rear view is shown, it is positioned right from the left view. Outlines and edges are projected to the front face of the cube instead of to the back face, and all 6 sides are projected to all 6 faces. Unfolding the cube to the front as shown will produce a layout according to the American, or third angle projection method. For the American third angle projection method, all views are identical to views using the European projection method, but their positions differ. Left from the front view, the left view is shown. Right from the front view, the right view is shown. At the top, you can find the top view. Below the front view, the bottom view is shown. The rear view is shown at the right of the right view. The rear view can be located elsewhere. For example, when the American projection method is used, above the top view. As long as the projection is a consequent result of the projection view next to it, a correct drawing layout is created. What you see here are the symbols used to indicate the projection method. The symbols are composed of a front view and a right view of a truncated cone. Projection of the cone's outlines and edges produces a front view showing 2 concentric circles and a right view showing a trapezoid. A right view positioned on the right relative to the front view indicates the American projection method. The European projection method shows the right view of the cone on the left side relative to the front view. At the Faculty of Aerospace Engineering, the American projection method is used. Yes, the Netherlands are in Europe. Nevertheless, the American projection method is the most commonly used method in the Netherlands. Always use the American projection method when you have to produce 2D drawings during your career as an aerospace student.